Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can install Onsus WordPress e-commerce theme to your website. Here you can see this is the WordPress theme that you can use to create e-commerce website. And here you can see this theme is specialized for electronic products, and you can also customize according to your requirements. So let's go and start installing this WordPress theme. First of all, we need to go in website dashboard, and here we need to install this theme, appearance, then click on add theme. After that, click on upload theme. So now we need to select our theme zip file. Here you can see this one. So first of all, you need to extract this file, and after that we need to install this parent theme and child theme. So let me go and select these files one by one. And here you can see theme file is installing. Now theme is installed. Now let me activate this theme, and we need to upload child theme. So again, click on upload theme, then select the child theme file, this one, and click on install button. Okay, now let's activate child theme. After that, here you can see we got notification to install these plugins. So let's go and install these plugins. So we can also install from here. And first of all, I want to install WooCommerce plugin, as we are installing e-commerce theme. Then this plugin is required to install. After that, click on activate button. Okay, now let's go back, and now begin installing these plugins. Let's go and install all the plugins at once. You can use this bulk feature, and then click on apply button. So now all of these plugins will be installed within a single click. And here you can see plugins are now installed. So now you can activate these plugins, as first of all I want to install and activate this plugin Elementor, and then reload this page. Now let's go back, and now we need to activate all of the other plugins. So let me select these plugins and click on activate button, then click on apply button. So now all the plugins are activated. Now let's go and click here. You can see store coming soon. Now let's go and make it live. This one, click on save changes, and now you can go and click on permalinks. So make sure that you have selected this structure. So by default this one is selected. Now let's go and click on import demo data, this one, then scroll down and again click here import demo data, then again continue and import. So now demo content is importing, so it can take few minutes, and it depends upon your web hosting server speed. After importing demo content, you can go and visit website on the front side. So if you want to edit, then simply you can go to theme customizer, and you can easily change logo, contact number, language, and many more. So let's see how it works. On the left side here you can see, so first option is site identity. Here you can add your website title, so for example your business name, and many more. After that, here you can add site icon that will display here on the top area. So after that, let's go back, then go to general tab, and here you can disable preloader. After that, it will display pop-up. Here you can see this one, and this one is pop-up image. And then if you scroll down, this one is contact form, so subscription form. After that, this one is some text, so you can easily change this text, that will automatically change here. Now let's go back and click here header, then click on top bar. So here you can see this one is the top bar. You can add any of the thing. For example, let me change this phone number, and it will be automatically changed here. Okay, after that, scroll down. You can disable shipping language drop down, this one, as well as currency drop down. Then scroll down. Here you can add some gap from left, right, top, bottom. Then you can change the logo from here. Simply you can go and click on change button. And then this one is for the fixed header logo. This one is for mobile devices. And also you can adjust logo size, logo width. Then navigation. Here you can adjust the gap. Then header options. Here you can select some header designs. So these are the pre-built header designs that you can easily select. And after that, now let's go back and let's see how we can change this menu. So this one is the primary menu. Simply you can go and click here menus, and this one is primary menu. So you can easily change title, link. Also you can add any of the page from here, add to menu. You can also remove anything from your menu. Then after that, you can also sort out using drag and drop functionality. Then click on save menu. So after that, if you want to edit these other menus, then you can simply go and click here select. So after that, how you can edit this one footer? Simply you can go and click here open link new tab, and website footer is built using Elementor page builder, so that you can easily edit and change anything. Okay, now simply you can go and click here. From here you can change logo image. So let me select this one, and after that here you can change the text. Simply you can go and click here pencil icon. So on the left side, whatever you can type, it will display here. After that, here you can change these menu items. Simply you can go and change the text. Then you can link this with any page. So after that, this one is subscription form. So let me show you. Here you can do that. This one is built with WP form plugin. You can go and here you can find it. Then you can open this sign up form, and you can easily customize this form. So you can add different fields from here. Now let's go back, and here you can add social media icons. So just you can add here links, and from here you can select the icons. After that, you can change the copyright text from here. And now let's see how you can edit this home page. Simply you can go and click here edit with Elementor. So on the top of every page you will find out edit with Elementor. After that, you can easily edit and change these products and other content. Okay, now Elementor page builder is loading. And now let's see how it works. From here you can change the container settings. So this one is a section, and from here you can change images, and this one is the text on the image. So you can change the text, and also you can do the same with this image. Then scroll down. You can also remove any of the section from here. Simply you can go and click on cross button. So after that, these are some products that you can easily select from the categories. Then after that, doing changes, you can go and click on publish button. So in this way you can easily customize this WordPress theme and build your professional website.